If your mid-market organization is trying to go from zero to hero by adopting a zero-trust approach to security, you might be struggling to see the wood from the trees. For many mid-market businesses across the UK, a cyber attack is the biggest threat to the organization, and a successful attack can be catastrophic. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, and the security marketplace is becoming more complicated and overcrowded. This is where a Microsoft-first approach to security comes in. A Microsoft-first approach encourages a better understanding of the Microsoft security portfolio. This enables you to streamline your security by replacing third-party overlapping security apps. It is built upon zero-trust principles and operates utilizing Microsoft Defender and Microsoft Sentinel. A Microsoft-first approach is an option worth considering for any organization that has already made an investment with Microsoft and is running Office 365. Microsoft currently tracks more than 20 trillion signals a day by leveraging machine learning and AI. 16 million threats a day are blocked by Microsoft across their cloud infrastructure. 90 of the Fortune 100 use at least 4 Microsoft security solutions. They have recently committed to invest a further $20 billion into security research and development. That amounts to a greater annual investment in security than most third-party security vendors' entire turnover. Microsoft are also leading in 5 different Gartner Magic Quadrants for security. In short, Microsoft is probably the biggest security company you may not have heard of, or at least thought of. Microsoft Secure 365 is designed to provide your organization with peace of mind. Book your demo now at softworks.com/demo or call us on 01223 834 333.